Hi there, this is a quick video to show you the descaling process on my Bosch Tassimo Happy. As you can see, the calculator's illuminated there. We've had it for a good 3 months or so. Here's the model number, CTPM12, or the Tassimo Happy. And I'm using the official Tassimo descaling tablets as well, can you believe? They weren't cheap, but we got them as part of a deal. Here's the descaling tablets in the fluid, and as you can see, they've dissolved pretty quickly within a few minutes to a clear liquid. That's just water and those tablets. It's created quite a few bubbles actually, isn't it? Put the tablets in, let them dissolve. I filled up to the calc line on the reservoir. You need a fairly large cup. This was large but not quite big enough. Open up the top. I pre-cleaned all the various bits as well, and you of course need your cleaning disc, which is located here on the bottom right of the machine. So put that in, and to start the cleaning process you have to hold the red button for 5 seconds. So once you've held that in, it will start, and off it goes. And they're pretty much bang on. It takes about 30 minutes or more. Times you've let it run its course, then emptied the cup a few times. It does take a bit of time to get through this, so don't do this if you're ready for some coffees straight away, because you will have to wait for 30 minutes minimum, I would say. Starts off pretty slow. As you can see, it's just putting water through there, fairly slow in little spurts, and it's just a case of leaving it. So this is about 5 minutes after it's been running. It's quite a slow process, as you can see. It's just dripping through very slowly. A point to note is I actually use softened water as well. We live in a hard water area, but I use the Britex filtered water on this, and it's still come up pretty quickly. Here's another 10 or so minutes afterwards, so it's filled up the cup. There's the reservoir. It's gone down quite a bit now, so I have to empty the cup and then replace. These are the tablets. They're about the size of a 50p piece. Quite large, quite thick, and you get 2 of them. You put them both into the water tank and they dissolve pretty quickly. You can buy other ones as well actually, so maybe next time I'll try some third-party ones to see how they go. Not much in there in the way of dirt, a few tiny specks, and we've nearly drained the tank now. So here's the cleaning process finished. So now you can see it's warning that the water's empty, the water tank. That was just the remainder after I'd emptied the cup, so it took a good full size cup. They say 500 millilitres for the container. There's the empty water. So now it's a case of rinsing out the water tank, getting rid of any residue. So here's just fresh water, and I filled it to the max. It does actually say fill to the max on this attempt. It didn't say fill to the calc line on the instructions the first time, so I did that anyway. And now it's time to purge through any remainder of the tablets. So this is just going to rinse through, and on this attempt, as you can see, it just trickles the water out at full speed, I think. So this will just go through and get down to the minimum level. Do this 3 or 4 times. So yeah, there's one stage, so just press it another 3 times and you should be clear. So that's the final step. Now it's just a case of replacing your cleaning disc back into the slot. So on this one it goes in the right hand side again at the bottom. And that's it, job done, descaled. Thanks for watching.